In this set of problems, we're being asked to simplify each polynomial. So if you notice, our first polynomial currently consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. But when we're asked to simplify, it basically means take what you have and make it simpler. There's too much going on there. Break it down, combine stuff, make it simpler. So in this particular case, we have negative 2x squared plus 5x minus 3x squared minus 9x plus 3. So all we really have to do here is combine like terms. So we look for our like terms, and we have this and this can be combined, much like what you did in chapter 3. It's the same thing. Negative 2 times x squared minus 3 times x squared. Combine the coefficients, which is really negative 2 minus 3. So that would be negative 5 times x squared. Leave it as x squared. Anytime you're combining like terms, the terms always stay the same. You're not going to change it. You're just grouping them together. That's what you're doing. You're grouping these x squareds together. It remains x squared. Negative 2 minus 3 is negative 5. Some of us still have trouble with that. You got to clean that up as soon as you can. Negative 2, take away 3 would be negative 5. We're also going to combine the other like terms we see here. We have this with this. We can combine that. So think of it as plus adding 5x but subtracting 9x. It's the same thing as subtracting 4x. Or just combine 5 take away 9 is a minus 4x. Remember, polynomials are all the terms are always separated by addition or subtraction. In this case, it'll remain a subtraction because we were subtracting more than we were adding. And then that 3 term really doesn't combine with anything, so it just comes down. So to simplify this polynomial, we end up with a second degree trinomial, or degree 2. And we can't simplify any further. We can't combine any terms or anything, so it stays like that. Our next example, we have 2x squared minus 5x cubed plus x minus 2x squared. What I'm going to do is typically what I do is I look for the highest degree term first, and I want to combine those because our answer is usually written in terms of the highest degree first, descending order. So the highest degree is an x cubed, and I cannot combine that with any other term, so that term will stay minus 5x cubed. What some students would like to do is draw a line through the ones they've already combined, just so that they don't have to come back and look at them again or confuse them with other stuff. Like here, they could have drawn a line through those after they combine it, then these after they combine them. You don't have to. It's just what I've seen students do. The next term in my polynomial would be the x squared term, and we do have two x squared terms there that we can combine. If you notice here, it would be 2x squared minus 2x squared. 2 minus 2 would leave us with 0x squared. So nothing. We're not going to have an x squared term anymore. It's gone. Please don't put plus x squared. No. There is no x squared anymore. This would be correct if there was a 3 there. 3x squared minus 2x squared would leave us with a 1x squared. But in this case, we don't have that. So the only other term left is the plus x. So this is our final answer. We have a third degree binomial.